ko. This is Gatis Vlog. For our this is vlog about the Pinoy Big Brother dahil ready na for the season 10 plus updates about my backseat. Subscribe na to YouTube channel. Kung bakit, sana mag-subscribe na tsaka marami ng views pati sa subscriber. This is vlog and episode 134 entitled Current Updates. Here's your vlog. Okay, una muna natin is about Pinoy Big Brother Season 10. Na dahil simula na sa October 16 sa TV ang PBB Community Season 10 replace, everybody said 3 editions: Celebrity, Adults, and Team Edition. Una muna natin ay Celebrity muna, starting October 16 with first 3, tapos may isa pang 3. Una natin si Eliza Valdez, ang heartstrong Pinom ng Batangas. Heartstrong Pinom. Siya yung MVP ng UAP Season 76 to 78, pati na finals MVP Season 76. Next to KD Estrada, ang musical wonder boy ng Paranaque na kumanta ng mga new breed of songs like sa Marry Me, Marry You, pero di ko alam yung song ko, pero malaman din. Si Madam Inas or Daisy Lopez, yung Mama Benta ng Cavite City na may music video, new song which is now on YouTube channel na Madam Inas. Pangalan is yesterday, 5-6. Siya ay singing sweetheart ng Siargao or Butuan, or si Siargao yan. Angie Salvador, formerly Angie Christine from Idol Philippines. May Idol Philippines tayo sa PBB Pepo. Sana may Lucas Garcia na. Tapos, ang paniwan ay Lord Laughter Lord, di naman din na si TJ Valderrama na sa paniwan yan. And, of course, the Miss Grand International 2020 first runner-up, this is Samantha Bernardo, last March yan. At tinanawag natin ang breadwinner ng Palawan. At sino kaya? Naman, yung beauty queen si Samantha. Then, the last time, si Ali Forbes, naging housemate sa Adults. Ali Forbes, Season 7. And, yun na, Samantha Bernardo na next. Third runner-up si Ali Forbes, 2013 Miss Grand International. Supportan natin yung iba pang ani at sino kaya susunod ng celebrity housemate sa PBB. Go to the social media account. Na oras na para sa ating updates about my bakuna.
Diba? Diba?
Diba? Magkaklase na tayo. Sayang na tayo pareho.
Hawak mo natin.
Diba?
Wala eh. Tapos na eh. Kasi last Monday, ay nasupport sana sa Caloocan Sports Office last month. Pero sa Bagong Buhay ko na bakunahan. At ang brand name ng vaccine is Sinovac. Yung kapatid ko Sinovac. Yung ate ko Sinovac. At we'll see you on second dose next month. Pero wala pa pong na-date. Pero secret lang yan Okay, thank you and please support me as well. That's it for this vlog. See you next vlog and good luck to other vaccine at sa PBB Celebrity Edition.